In the market for a 2004 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.